Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our daily money motivation session. Today, we're diving deep into the world of success and wealth building. We're not here to clickbait you. We're here to share some valuable insights that could truly change your life. So grab a notepad and hit subscribe because we're about to drop 15 secrets of the rich that could transform your financial journey. 1. Focus on earning, not saving. Many of us have been raised with the idea that saving a few dollars here and there will eventually lead to financial success. We've been told to skip that daily latte, pack our lunches, and cut costs wherever possible to build a nest egg for the future. However, what the rich understand is that these small savings, while important to a certain extent, won't propel us into the realm of financial abundance. Instead, their approach is radically different. They prioritize earning big before saving. This mindset shift is about channeling resources into businesses, investments, or projects that have the potential to catapult them into a higher wealth bracket. So, if you're looking to follow in the footsteps of the wealthy, it's crucial to rethink your approach and concentrate on getting your money right by prioritizing income generation. You become financially literate. Financial literacy is often underestimated in its significance, but it's a critical factor that distinguishes the rich from the rest. To be financially literate means having a deep understanding of the various financial rules and systems that exist and being able to apply this knowledge to your advantage. In today's complex financial landscape, ignorance of these principles can be a severe handicap. Consider this straightforward example. When you're an employee, you earn money from your job, but a substantial chunk of that income is siphoned off in taxes. You're left with a portion to cover your living expenses and discretionary spending. However, here's where the rich diverge from the average person. When a business or corporation generates income, it doesn't face the same immediate taxation as an individual. Instead, it has the option to reinvest its earnings, often resulting in a reduced tax liability. This fundamental difference highlights the power of financial literacy. Moreover, setting up a corporation for yourself is far more accessible and affordable than one might think, and it can serve as a means to optimize your personal finances. By embracing financial literacy, you unlock the potential to navigate the financial landscape more effectively, understand how to minimize your tax burden legally, and leverage financial tools and structures to your advantage. Invest in what you know. One of the secrets of the rich is their keen ability to make informed investment decisions. They adhere to a simple yet powerful principle: invest in what you know. This means that they direct their capital and expertise into areas where they have a deep understanding, insight, and expertise. The rationale behind this strategy is to minimize risk and maximize the potential for returns. Unlike those who often chase the latest fads or blindly follow trends, the rich approach investment with a calculated mindset. They concentrate their resources on industries, businesses, or ventures they comprehend inside and out. Whether it's real estate, technology, art, or any other field, they make sure they have a competitive edge by virtue of their knowledge. So, if you're looking to emulate the wealthy, it's essential to focus your investments on areas you truly understand and become an expert in your chosen field. 4. Build your personal brand. In today's hyper-connected world, building a personal brand has become a potent tool for success. The rich understand the power of a strong personal brand, and they leverage it to their advantage. A personal brand is essentially your unique identity and reputation in the eyes of others. It's about showcasing your expertise, values, and authenticity to create trust and recognition. The rich recognize that nobody is likely to buy from or trust someone they don't know or believe in. Hence, they invest time and effort in building a personal brand that resonates with their target audience. Social media platforms and digital marketing have made this task easier than ever. Through consistent and authentic online presence, they connect with billions of people who are eager to engage with compelling stories, expert knowledge, or valuable content. By being everywhere in the digital realm and showcasing their expertise and values, the rich ensure they stand out from the crowd and create a loyal following. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, professional, or artist, consider building a personal brand to elevate your career and financial prospects. 5. Prioritize increasing income. The concept of increasing income is a fundamental principle embraced by the wealthy. They understand that simply saving money alone won't lead to financial abundance. Their primary focus is on continuously finding ways to increase their income streams, allowing them to accumulate wealth more rapidly. The rich are relentless in seeking out new opportunities, whether it's through launching new businesses, investing in income-generating assets, or diversifying their income streams. Therefore, if you aim to follow in their footsteps, shift your focus from simply saving money to actively increasing your income through strategic endeavors and investments. 6. Distinguish between short-term and long-term investments. The rich are adept at this distinction and use it to their advantage. They understand that some investments are designed for immediate returns, while others are meant to appreciate over time and build legacy wealth. Short-term investments are typically those that are expected to generate profits within the next decade or less. These could include ventures, businesses, or opportunities with a relatively quick payoff. On the other hand, long-term investments are designed to accumulate value gradually over an extended period, often spanning multiple generations. These may include investments in art, real estate, land, or heritage brands. By understanding the characteristics of each type of investment, the wealthy can craft a diversified portfolio that balances immediate income with the potential for lasting financial security. This differentiation is crucial for wealth preservation and growth. 7. Embrace the power of leverage. Leverage is a financial concept that the rich fully grasp and strategically employ to multiply their wealth. It's a concept that can be summed up as using other people's money, OPM, to generate returns. While this may sound counterintuitive or even risky to some, the wealthy have made leverage an integral part of their financial strategy. For instance, when they invest in real estate, they often secure mortgages to purchase properties, using the bank's money to finance a significant portion of the investment. They understand that if the property appreciates in value, they benefit from the increase on the entire property value, not just the portion they personally financed. Similarly, entrepreneurs might seek venture capital or loans to expand their businesses, allowing them to scale up operations and potentially generate greater profits. In essence, leverage amplifies their financial capacity and can lead to substantial gains when used wisely. However, it's important to note that leverage can also increase the risk of losses, so the rich approach it with careful consideration and a solid understanding of the markets and investments they engage in. 8. Build a network of trustworthy relationships. The rich understand the immense value of nurturing a network of trustworthy relationships. These relationships go beyond casual connections and are built on mutual trust, respect, and shared goals. The rich often surround themselves with individuals who can offer valuable insights, guidance, and support in their financial endeavors. These relationships may include mentors, advisors, business partners, and like-minded peers. They form a collective of people who can provide advice, collaborate on opportunities, and even offer financial backing when needed. In times of uncertainty or crisis, having such a network can be a lifeline, as they can pool their resources, share knowledge, and mitigate risks together. 9. Harness the power of systems and goal mastery. The rich are masters of systems and goal setting. They understand that achieving financial success is not solely about making money. It's about having a structured approach to reach their objectives. To do this, they set clear, measurable goals and develop systems and processes to work toward these goals effectively. These systems involve breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and creating a roadmap to follow. The rich meticulously plan their actions, measure progress, and make adjustments when necessary to stay on track. Moreover, they continuously learn and adapt their strategies to evolving circumstances. Systems and goal mastery enable them to maintain a disciplined approach, ensuring consistent progress toward financial prosperity. 10. Embrace adaptability and innovation. The rich thrive in a rapidly changing world because they are highly adaptable and innovative. They understand that complacency can lead to stagnation and financial decline. To remain successful, they embrace change and actively seek new opportunities. Innovation is a key driver of wealth creation for the rich. They are not content with the status quo and are always on the lookout for novel solutions, technologies, and business models that can give them a competitive edge. Whether it's investing in cutting-edge startups or integrating emerging trends into their businesses, they are quick to adapt and seize the advantage. Furthermore, the rich are not afraid to pivot when necessary. If a particular strategy or venture is not yielding the desired results, they are open to change and are willing to explore new directions. This adaptability and willingness to innovate are essential traits that allow them to thrive in dynamic and ever-evolving economic landscapes. 11. Understand the importance of legal protection. The rich recognize the significance of legal protection in safeguarding their assets and interests. They understand that unforeseen circumstances, disputes, or legal challenges can pose a threat to their wealth. To mitigate these risks, they proactively take steps to ensure their financial security. This involves legal structuring of their businesses and assets to minimize tax liabilities, protect against lawsuits, and optimize their financial affairs. They often seek advice from skilled legal professionals who specialize in wealth protection and estate planning. Trusts, wills, and various legal instruments are commonly used to secure their wealth for themselves and future generations. Moreover, the rich maintain meticulous records and documentation to demonstrate the legitimacy of their financial transactions and investments. This commitment to legal protection not only preserves their wealth, but also ensures they can navigate complex legal landscapes with confidence. 12. Distinguish between short-term gratification and long-term goals. One of the key differentiators of the wealthy is their ability to distinguish between short-term gratification and long-term goals. While it may be tempting to indulge in immediate pleasures, the rich maintain a disciplined approach that prioritizes their long-term financial objectives. They understand that short-term spending on luxuries and instant gratification can hinder their progress toward lasting financial security. Instead, they allocate their resources wisely, focusing on investments and financial decisions that align with their overarching goals. This often means delaying immediate consumption for the sake of more significant rewards down the road. The rich's dedication to long-term financial success extends to all aspects of their lives. They are patient and persistent, willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve their goals. 13. Cultivate a strong network. Cultivating a robust network of personal and professional relationships is another secret of the rich. They understand that success often relies on who you know as much as what you know. Their network consists of mentors, peers, advisors, and even potential collaborators who can offer guidance, support, and valuable insights. These relationships extend beyond casual connections. They are built on trust, mutual respect, and shared objectives. The rich strategically surround themselves with individuals who can provide unique perspectives, industry knowledge, and financial resources when necessary. In times of uncertainty or opportunity, these connections can be instrumental in achieving their goals. Moreover, the rich actively seek out opportunities to give back and share their knowledge with their network. By doing so, they reinforce their position as valuable members of their communities and strengthen their bonds with others. Embrace lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is a core principle embraced by the wealthy. They understand that staying informed and continuously expanding their knowledge base is essential in a rapidly evolving world. The rich are avid readers, learners, and seekers of information across various domains. They invest time and resources in self-education, whether through formal education, attending seminars, reading books, or seeking guidance from mentors. This commitment to learning enables them to stay ahead of trends, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions in their financial endeavors. Furthermore, the rich are not afraid to admit when they don't know something and seek out expert advice when needed. They understand that being open to learning from others is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. 15. Strategic planning for legacy wealth. Strategic planning for legacy wealth is the final secret of the rich. While accumulating wealth during one's lifetime is a significant achievement, the truly wealthy have a long-term perspective that extends beyond their own lifetime. They understand the importance of creating a lasting financial legacy for future generations. The rich often invest in assets and ventures that have the potential to appreciate in value over generations. These may include investments in art, land, heritage brands, and other assets that retain and grow in value over time. By doing so, they ensure that their wealth not only benefits them, but also provides a strong foundation for their descendants. Additionally, they take steps to pass on their financial knowledge, values, and principles to the next generation. This includes educating their heirs about responsible wealth management, financial literacy, and the importance of stewardship. By instilling these values in their family, they set the stage for continued wealth growth and preservation for generations to come. So there you have it, folks. We've shared these secrets not to keep you in the dark, but to empower you with the knowledge to take control of your financial journey. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more valuable content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.